Send it. What is up? Whoa. All right, so talk about learning and going on the fly. Setting up a daily studio is a task, but we are here live in Merida, Mexico one more time for a live build challenge. So what's up, everybody who's watching right now? Let's actually take a peek and see who's with us. Christopher Coleman, Jay Poucher, Magdalena, what's up? Maggie, Michael, Mariella, Vlad, what's up, everybody? Go ahead and leave your thoughts in the comments. We've got a couple announcements we're going to go through, and then we're going to, get into the speed build challenge. So we've got the Finsweet team. Hey, Finsweet team, say what's up.
What's up?
And then we've got a couple angles. Let's see, we've got this little rotating angle here that'll be kind of cool. And then we've also got this space here that we hope doesn't get slam jam packed. What's up, everybody on the gather space? All right, they're muted. Okay, we'll get into that in just a second. So, okay. Joe, let's jump into some of these announcements that we had. Let's bring people up to speed on what's going on here and what we've got in store.
Okay, great. First announcement is we are finally finished with GTAG. The GTAG course, all the videos are recorded and edited, and all this time from when we announced this thing, when we started selling it to now, we have been in production mode, getting these videos ready from an editing standpoint. And now they are done. They are live. So you'll be getting an email if you purchase the course. You can jump in, start learning this stuff. This is a brand new service that you can now start to offer your clients for your own business, whatever. If you haven't bought this course, if you're new to it, go check it out. We are at finsweet.com/GTAG, I think, and that is available for purchase. So great, we are excited to really start pushing more of this educational content, paid content that's going to help you get to that next level for your agency.
Nice. Okay, and I know lots of people have been waiting for that.
Yes.
There's some folks that kind of pre-purchased that.
Thank you.
I think maybe the price is going up. I don't know. Get it while it's hot.
Yeah,
you know?
it's doubled. It's
That's
doubled
right.
since the original launch. So, yeah, if you bought it early, we thank you. We appreciate that, and you got a nice discount for it.
Nice. Okay, so that's announcement 1. What else do we have for the folks today?
Announcement 2 with a reload. We have, there we go, the Client First Showcase. We are building a showcase for Client First. You are able to submit multiple projects of Client First here, and these projects will be put into a showcase. So very similar to how there are showcases of web projects, whether it be Webflow projects or award type projects, we are building our own showcase of Client First projects. So if you have built anything in Client First, it could be for a client, it could be a clonable, it could be anything. Go ahead and submit that form. There's no maximum amount of submissions you can make. You can build a portfolio of items in Client First, and we're going to start rolling out more features in here. You'll soon have your own profile page. You'll have a list of all your Client First projects, and we'll probably have some type of voting for people to thumbs up or heart projects. So go ahead, take advantage of this. We want to get you in front of as many people as possible, get exposure, give you the ability to share your work with this new system. So we're really excited for this one. You can go to finsweet.com/client-first/submit, and we will share that in the chat here.
Nice. Great. And speaking of voting, I mean, talk about a segue. Okay. So announcement number 3 is,
this is a big one. We have the
hang on, I gotta go back here. Yep, there you go.
Finsweet community voting. This is our new voting platform for all of you to give us suggestions for features and for content with Finsweet. A lot of people have been giving us suggestions for Noble Airtable, for Finsweet Extension, for effing Growth, for our live builds. And now this is a structured way for you to give us this information. So you can go ahead, submit requests. We will review every request and we will put those requests on this site. Once it's live to the public, you will be able to vote. And we're going to prioritize the highest voted items. So if we see that there is a feature that everybody likes, everybody's voting for it, that's going to be top on our list also. So we really want to put our roadmap in your hands. That's the point of this, that you'll be able to really be heard, and if people like your idea, we're going to roll with it. This is going to host all of our products, all of our future products, our current products, and all of our future and current content. So this is a great way to really tell us what to do and have the community go and vote on it.
Nice. Okay. Yeah, and somebody just said our audio was a little low, so hopefully I turned that up just a bit. So let us know. We have kind of a convoluted setup here, and I'll tell you why. Because we're going to do this live build, this speed build setup, and we're going to, I've got to, I'm doing some weird audio stuff. So I've got to feed our audio into Gather, and I've got to feed the audio into the stream, and so we've got like a bunch of different mics set up, and so we'll get a little room noise, we'll get a little ambiance, because we've got the crew behind us here who will be building, and yeah, this is going to get a lot of fun. Rounds of a speed build, and if you haven't done a speed building competition before, it works like this. We'll give you a prompt, and then we'll set a timer, and everyone will get a set amount of time to kind of build whatever that prompt is. And there's no pre-prepared assets. Nobody who's participating in this knows what the build is going to be. This is just something Joe and I kind of talked about and decided this is what we're going to do. And so, yeah, you'll get 10 minutes for the first round and then 25 minutes for the second round. So we'll have 2 rounds, 10 minutes, 25. The first round will be semi-simple. The second round will be a little bit more complex, and we are excited to see where you all take this. The other thing is, if you'd like to participate at home and hang out with us and build, that's cool. We do have a little bit of space in the Gather here. I'm worried about getting too many people in there, but if you see it and recognize where we're at and know how to get there, well, then you're part of the Finsweet family, so come through. We're not going to share that link publicly, though, just so we don't crash the Gather server.
That's a good idea.
Okay, so what else before we get started here?
Well, I'll say it again. This speed build challenge really has no rules. We're going to give a really, really simple to do. There's no requirements for the type of illustrations you use. You can create them yourself. You can take them online. You can use any colors you want. You can use any style that you want. You can use divs. You can use illustrations, whatever. There's no rules here. So yeah, I think we're going to see a lot of creativity. I think people are really going to go wild with this, and that's what we're encouraging people to do here.
Bob, it's an excellent day for speed building today, and I am excited to see what the crowd brings to the table.
I agree. This is certainly going to be a head turner.
That's right. Okay. Either that or everyone's just turning off the live stream right now and running for the hills. Okay, so let me get my clock out. Let me do this.
10 minutes. It's going to be a 10-minute challenge, an exact to 10 minutes.
Yeah. And so if you're in the space, if you're part of the build crew, what we're going to do, it's going to work like this. In Gather, you can share your screen. So find a little workstation inside of this space, and then share your screen while you work. Share your Webflow screen. And Joe and I will be in the Gather space, bouncing around from screen to screen to kind of see how people are building, what they're building, and we'll be doing like some color commentary as the team builds. And so you can follow along, share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to share your links with each other in the comments, I know that's kind of tough because YouTube doesn't really, allow you to share links, but we can copy and paste out of there as possible. And Anyway, first time we try something like this live. Excited to see how it goes. Let's get 10 minutes on the clock, and we will give you all the first prompt. Everybody got a blank Webflow project ready? What's up? Let's see. Kai in the house. What's up, Kai?
Sorry to interrupt
Open
you.
that up. Brand new blank screen.
Literally,
Yeah, and I will be able to talk with folks. Joe and I can talk with folks in Gather. The Gather audio will be live to the stream. So again, this is some real deal complex shit that's happening here out of a Pelican case, just so you all know what's going on here. And let's do it. 10 minutes on the clock. Webflow project is ready. Joe, do you want to give the first prompt?
First prompt is build a taco.
Got 10 minutes to build a taco.
That's it. Go ahead and make some tacos. Up to you.
And this can be interpreted however you want.
Yep.
Right?
There are no rules here.
And start the clock. Got 10 minutes. And yeah, if you haven't been a part of a speed building challenge before, we've done one at Webflow as part of the No Code Comp. We did one. We've done a couple live speed building events. And I've participated in like others. I've seen things happening like this. And so this will get intense as people start building. Kai, do you want to share your screen? Do you want to be the first one? Just show us your blank Webflow screen here.
sure, but it is completely blank, and I've only just arrived. Have I missed anything important?
Nope, not at all. Just the
rules or
prompt.
anything?
You got 10 minutes to build a taco.
Can I ask what's a taco and what does it look like?
Oh, yeah. If you don't know what
I
a
know
taco
what
is, I'm
taco
not sure
is.
how to help you.
Yes, we can reference Google, can we?
What's that?
We can look up taco on Google, can we?
Yes, you can Google taco.
Right.
You can make a folded taco. You can make a round taco. You could
No
like
rules.
whatever
Make
you
it
want.
memory.
And if we could get, folks seem a little spread out. Let's try to condense ourselves in the Gather space. If somebody's not next to you, fill in next to you. Like, we don't want to have to go search for where you are on this map. Please just try to condense into the same space on this map so that we can easily bounce around. And then be sure to share your screen. So as you share your screen, I'll be able to walk into your Gather space if you're in one of these, and I can see the screen. So right here, I can see Andre's screen. I see he's got a black background, and he's working inside of Webflow. So yeah, that's great. So if I jump out of this space, let's see who else is up here. Boom. This is Pete. Pete Blanchford. What's up? I don't even know what a taco is. You know what? I should probably put the Gather screen up on the board. That way people can see what I'm seeing. What's up, Pete?
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good, good. We'll ask you if you're on Gather. We'll need you to use like headphones, so just so we don't get a loop back. So I'm gonna jump out of here. But if folks can use headphones inside the Gather space, this way when we come into your place, we don't get a feedback loop. Harshit, what's up? Okay, Harshit's got a little taco shell in the works here, it looks
Nice.
like. All right. Harshit, can you hear us?
We have about 7 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Yeah, the time will move fast. You have no time here. You do not have time to fuck around here, y'all.
You gotta move quick. Your submission will be a webflow.io link. That's
Yep.
how you submit this, and we'll have a form ready for you just before submission.
Nice. Okay. So we've got someone looking to see what a taco is. So we've got some taco inspiration searching happening right here. This looks like Simon. What's up, Simon? Say hi to the squad.
Hello, everyone.
We've had a lot of tacos.
Yeah.
We've been here for 4 days now, and I mean, it's tacos every day. So we wanted a little bit of Mexican theme to this, and that's why we're going taco.
That's right. Okay, so let's jump out and see who else has got what working. Let's jump around the space here. Let's check back in with Kai. Kai has got a round shell here. Okay, interesting to see. Okay, ooh, clip a little bit of the bottom of that taco shell. Okay, okay.
I can't hear you when I'm in my own little office.
You can only hear me when I step into your office. Yeah.
Yeah.
actually built. Let's go check who's over this way. How many people can screen share at one time? Maybe for the next round, we're gonna try something different.
Okay.
Maybe for the next round, we try to go all into the shared space, into the conference room, and have everyone share their screen at once. And maybe I can just bounce from screen to screen.
Nice.
I think that could happen. Let's try that in between. So we'll finish this round. There's 5 minutes.
5
This is
minutes.
the official 5-minute warning here.
Halfway through.
Because that way everybody can hear what's going on inside a gather.
Yep.
All right, let's see. What is, let's see. Who do I have here? Eve? No, let's see. Oh, it's Vinny, I think, but my name was covering it. Okay, Vinny. Let's see what Vinny's got here. Taco screen. Oh.
Ooh, Vinny with some depth.
Vinny's bringing the heat.
Wow.
4 minutes and 30 seconds. I know y'all think you got some time to do like interactions and make this real fancy, but y'all better just get a taco on the board, you know? Let's talk about how you're gonna speed up your meal here. Okay. Leo, what you got? Oh, Emmanuel. Ooh, buddy, you got a blank screen there.
Let's hope he's working on assets.
Yeah, let's hope. Oh, that could be a secret game changer right
It could
there.
be. Yeah, if he's
That
got
could
clean
be.
assets, he can put that together.
Okay, so 3 minutes, 54 seconds. Let's go around and see who else. Ezekiel, what do you got here? Oh, Ezekiel, the overhead view. Okay, I'm liking it. Yeah, let's get
Nice.
creative here.
Great.
Nice work, Ezekiel. Okay, what else? Let's see who else we got in here. Boom. Oh, room 4. Oh, that's Pete, I think. Let's check back in with Pete. Okay, lots of taco shells, lots of half taco shells. So let's see where this ends. I'm excited to see some finished tacos here. Let's go and see who else is in this space that I haven't visited yet. Joe, what are your thoughts as we're going through here?
I'm looking for some ingredients on here. I want to see some beef. I want to see some tomatoes, some lettuce. I want a nice big taco here.
Yeah, and just remember, share your screen if you're working. Let's check in on Simon here. Simon, okay. Looks like he's dropping some beans or some soon-to-be meat or some guacamole or something on a little
Nice.
taco shell here. Okay, looking good. Let's keep exploring around. Aha, Kai, you getting 3D here?
Ooh, look at that depth. Wow. I've shared the submission form in the comments. We still have 2 minutes left. Can you confirm that we have that in there? YouTube's been giving me a hard time with those Airtable forms.
Let me check. If you want to send it to me in Slack, I'll post it and pin
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, so you've got officially just under 2 minutes. 1:52 left. Okay. Let's see. Looks like we're still looking for some images here from Kai. That might be cheating, FYI. But we'll allow it. Oh, a little pixel art taco. Andre.
Ooh.
Okay.
Nice.
Ooh, what you doing here? All right, let's see if he can finish that up in the next minute and 20 seconds. This is always fun to see because people always overestimate what they think they can
Yes.
build in the
Yes.
amount of time. First time I did it, we had like 5 minutes to build a bouncing ball. Shout out to Nelson who ran that.
That was
and
great.
Did like this little, and even just that, a little ball bouncing across the screen was kind of tough to build. Okay, copy
And
link.
you have this idea of what you're going to build, and then it gets down to 1 minute, and you say, I have to go and finish up whatever I can here, and that's where we're at. We're just under a minute.
Yep,
So-
45 seconds. So you will hear the buzzer go off. Obviously, there's no like strict rules here. Can you send me the link to the table too, so I can pull those up on screen?
Yep, absolutely.
All right, so we've got 30 seconds left, 24 seconds, 20, 22. Okay, y'all better wrap it up if you got it. Those submissions need to be in, and then we're gonna give people, let's say, a minute to send the submissions, because if you take longer than a minute, then we know you're still working on it. So
Yeah.
once this buzzer goes off, I'm gonna reset it for a minute, and the Airtable entries will be time stamped. That's it. It's over.
That's it.
Time's up. Submit your tacos. Submit your tacos. You have 1 minute now. You have 1 minute to submit your tacos.
1 minute.
Okay, let's jump. What's that?
Where should?
Oh, it's in the YouTube link. It's in the pin to the YouTube chat.
Hold on. I'll send it in Slack. I'll send it in Slack here in the Hangout channel. Oh no, hold on. I sent the wrong link. That wasn't right. That wasn't right.
Okay, let's go to the wide shot here and get the reaction.
Hold on.
Send me the link. Where should I put the link? Send me the link.
The link is in the YouTube chat, pinned to the top of the chat. If you're in the gather space, let's try all moving over into the conference room, or to the auditorium. Let's try all going into the auditorium so that we can get kind of everyone's screen up at once and everyone audio in play at the same time. Okay, submissions are officially due. So that's it. That's the buzzer.
Yeah.
We'll give you another minute because we had the link wrong. We'll give you another link. We'll give you another minute. Just one more minute to submit the link. So there's 10 submissions so far. We should have at least 20-ish, I'm thinking, based on just the number of people in the room here. Let's take a look.
Yep, they're coming in hot.
Yeah.
Give a reload
Okay,
to
so
that.
let's reload this. And let's start looking at these. Okay.
Not even a pin.
Okay, hey, yeah, I'm trying, there's no good way to, is everyone here in Gather? Let's everyone go into the auditorium. That way I can screen share in the auditorium, and you all can see in real time what I'm doing, so we can all react to the same tacos at the same time.
Are you there to follow you?
What's that?
Are you there in the auditorium?
Yes, everybody go to the auditorium. Everybody head to the auditorium, which is on the other side of the map here. The talk space, yep, the main auditorium in the top left. Let's all jump into here.
The orange one. Orange border.
All right, what's up, everybody who's hanging with us in the auditorium already?
Nice.
Let's close this screen, yeah, okay. What's up, everybody? Let us know how you're feeling. Okay, Leo's screen shares here. Stop sharing your screens. Everybody stop your screen share. Everybody stop your screen share right now. We're gonna go through these one at a time. Let's go through one at a time so we can all react to the tacos together.
We are better doing coffee. We're
What is it? Okay, Tyler's got this thing. Okay, everybody is in Gather. We're gonna go to the screen here. I'm gonna walk through the different submissions. So let's go into the Airtable view. Let's refresh this, and we're gonna go through these different submissions. Let me share my screen.
And everybody, please turn off your screen share inside Gather.
Google would like to record his computer screen. Yes, I'd like to allow that. Ooh. No, I don't need to quit and reopen. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna lose Gather for just a second and I'll be right back. Okay, quit, and where's the reopen part? Okay, bam, right back to business. Thanks, Chrome. Okay, so I'm gonna enter the gathering and let me share my screen. So we'll share the screen. Oh, share. All right, so now you all should be able to see my screen. Let's show off some tacos here. And we'll just make these comments real big to cover the rest of this. Okay, so Vinny, let's see your taco. Okay, you got a little shell here with a little, looks like your mohawk taco.
Nice. I like the
Okay.
depth there. You know,
Yep.
there's something inside. That's cool.
Okay, let's see Harsh Shit's taco. Oh.
Oh.
Harsh Shit came to play today, y'all. He is not messing around.
Nice. That's a good 10-minute.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, nice job. Harsh Shit is taking the lead right now. Eve build. Okay. Oh, Eve. Nice. I must ask you about your taco.
Nice.
Okay, nice. I'm leaning towards Harsh Shit still.
Yeah?
I think Harsh Shit was more taco-y, although Eve, I really like that. Let's see, Emmanuel. Okay, it's got an Finsweet taco here.
Nice.
Emmanuel, I like it. The little bit of curve. It looks like you got some grill lines on there, some guacamole up top. Very nice. Okay, this is incredibly challenging, by the way, to
Yes.
build something that you just found out about in 5 or 10 minutes.
Yep.
Okay, whose was this? This is Pete Blanchford. Okay, nice.
Nice.
What's in here? You got some buttons? Look, you got some radio. What's he doing in here?
Those radio buttons.
Yeah,
Radio taco.
nice.
This is a song
Nice,
by
love
Queen,
it.
isn't it? Radio Taco.
Right. What'd you say, Kai?
It's a song by Queen, isn't it? Radio Taco.
Maybe, yeah. Kai Sakin, it's a song by Queen, Radio Taco. Okay, Andre, let's see what you ended with here. All right, a little pixel taco. Okay,
Nice.
I'm feeling that.
I like
Very
that.
nice.
That looks delicious.
Yeah. I'd probably eat that. Okay, Ezekiel Rochat, let's see what you came up with. All right.
Cool.
Yep, we got the taco in
Yeah,
there. I see you
I
got
like it.
toppings, a little bar of meat in there. Yeah,
Top down
okay.
taco.
And Ezekiel actually said something in here in the chat, was saying something like that was awful. And it's challenging. It is. This is one of those things that's like just overwhelming sometimes. Leo, let's see what Leo ended with here.
Nice. He put the meat. We said it. He did it.
Is that raw meat?
That's raw meat.
Okay, Mathis, let's see what Mathis came up with here. All right. Oh,
Okay.
I like this. A little
Real
image
texture.
gradient on the texture.
Cool,
Those
cool.
Those are Joe's hot peppers there.
Yeah, a little
Sneaking
tomato
out the
action.
end.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Okay. Michael, let's see what Michael came up with here. All right. Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, a little color change.
Party
background
taco.
tacos.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. Okay.
Great.
Looking good. Looking good.
What the hell's that?
What the hell's that? He said. Just remember, if you're in Gather and you're in the space, people can hear you on the stream. So,
I meant what I said.
Kai
No
saying,
offense,
he said,
I'm
what's
joking.
that? All right, so we've got, who was this one? Who sent this? I didn't see. This is Marcus, okay? Marcus,
Nice.
nice. Like a little modern taco, almost like a credit card taco or something like a wallet taco.
That is a modern taco. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a mako, if you will.
Ah,
Okay, let's see what Natalie came up with. That meal would not be FDA approved, Jay Poucher says.
This looks like the hair card.
Nice, this is cool. Little couple shells with some
Nice.
meat in between.
Yep.
Okay, nice.
Love it.
Natalie, good work there. And Giuseppe, let's see. Oh, okay, there we go. Little taco shell, little toppings on top. Yeah, it is a lot more complicated than you think. So if you're just watching this, people had 10 minutes to build a taco, and they didn't know what they were gonna build before. The next round is 25 minutes, so the next round's gonna be more intense. You think you're gonna have more time, but you don't.
No.
Please scroll. Okay. Oh, all
Nice.
right. Yeah.
Scrolling taco.
There you go, a scrolling taco. I'd be interested to know if this is did you just make this illustration real quick? Is this just then, like, did they slap a little illustration together and put it into Webflow? Which again is fair game.
Fair game.
All fair game. So all is fair in love and war. And then this is the last one that came in. Let's see,
We have
Jose.
one more after
I'll
a
refresh
reload.
the screen. Okay, nice. Okay, so another
Nice.
abstract taco here.
Great.
Yep, needs to
I'm
be
missing my one for some reason.
need to be rolled up. Hang on one second. I'm going to refresh the Airtable and see if we got one more coming in here.
I
Sergey.
haven't added anything to Airtable.
Oh, Kai, you got to submit the taco to
I must have-
Airtable. That was good taco.
Nice.
Dang.
That's a real
Sir-
taco right there.
Taco remnants. Nice. Okay. Alex Lazar saying it was a downloaded asset, so it was not an original design on that last Illustrator. Okay, that's great. Let's go back to the wide angle here,
We
showing
need
the
Kai.
whole team.
Kai did
Kai,
not
yeah.
submit.
In the YouTube
Yeah, when I
link.
came out of my office,
You're not watching on the stream? Yeah, it's hard. Oh, you know what? Hang on. I'm getting some anti-lag warnings here. Just reloaded the stream. Please bear with us. We're getting a little bit of internet lag here at the co-working space, so it could be that there's a lot of bandwidth being sucked right now in this room. So hopefully, let's see, is the YouTube stream still live? Can somebody confirm that we're back live on that stream? It does look like it's still going. Okay, cool. All right, so round one. Kai, did we get your submission? Did we get that yet?
yeah, I just ran a link. Hang on, email, build a taco.
Send it into Slack real quick. Send it to me directly in Slack or something.
Okay.
Let's make sure we get a look at Kai's.
It's not exactly worth the wait.
There's Kai. Click the link. 5-star taco. Let me go wide here. There you go. It's a little taco.
Nice.
Nice. Okay. Kai's taco.
I think the first use of onions here. That looks like a little onion action.
I think we got some onions.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's onion. Well, there's some kind
Great
of
taco. I
Nice.
think out of all of the
lettuce,
tacos, the
tomato.
biggest reaction was to our ships.
Yeah, I think our
Agreed.
ship for sure
Yeah.
won the taco challenge here.
Yeah.
The
Once you
3D
go 3D there, you get the
rotation.
wows.
Yeah.
That's
you
what I
go
was trying
3D,
to
you
do,
get the
but-
wow.
Very cool.
I couldn't do it in 10 minutes. I don't know how you did that in 10 minutes.
Okay,
Oh, shit.
let's move on to round two here.
You
Oh,
need to be
sorry.
in gather
Okay.
so you can hear the people talking. Yeah, Kai, it's hard. It's tough. I mean, it's no joke. 10 minutes to build something like this is a serious challenge. And the next one's going to be even more challenging. So we're going to get 25 minutes on the clock here. So
Don't say
let's-
build a space station.
No, it's gonna be it's gonna be a little more abstract, and this is gonna be a lot of flexibility. So you'll have 25 minutes to build an arcade game. So whatever your interpretation of an arcade game is, this could be like a Pac-Man game. It could be the little kiosk. This could be a Nintendo system. Whatever arcade game means to you, right? So this is gonna be super creative. You'll have 25 minutes here to build something arcade gamey, right? So everybody ready? 25 minutes, even if you're not. Clock starts now.
You have to start from a new Webflow project.
Yeah, yep. Just open up a new page in that project.
Yeah.
But make sure you send us a direct
right.
link to that page when you submit the next one.
And now at 25 minutes, I think we have people with the ability to start adding interactions. 10 minutes, you don't really have a lot of interactions time. But if you set things up right, you put some interactions here, you know, you can create something pretty interactive in this amount of time.
Yeah, agreed. Agreed. Okay, so the team is cranking at work. If you're in the gather space, you should be able to hear us consistently now. Joe's got his headphones in, so hopefully he can hear and interact with you all in gather as well. But feel free to share your screens here. I will stop my screen share. And I think everyone can share their screen at once, assuming we've got the bandwidth for it. So, yeah, let's see. Can we get everyone, let's see, go ahead and start sharing your screens, if you will, if your computer can handle. That way I can pop around to the different screens. Otherwise, we'll be forced to just send Tyler around the room here. Let's see, Andre is getting started here. He's got his taco loaded there. Let's see, Pete, okay, yeah. Vinny is getting started with the grid. Okay, what's happening with the grid here? Oh, let me go to the actual screenshot so y'all can see. Okay, so some kind of grid here that, I don't remember whose screen I'm on. Okay, Mathis, let's see what Mathis has got a blank screen. Pete Blanchford's got a blank screen. Mathis is looking at what? Mathis is looking at some arcade game inspiration here.
Nice.
Okay, yep. So you could build the arcade box. You could, you know, just create a 2D version of something. You could build a little game yourself. I don't know. Maybe if you had some clone comp assets, you could hijack some of those.
Nice.
Yeah, whatever you want to do here. I got time to build. We're at 22 minutes though, 22 minutes and 38 seconds. So there is not a ton of time. And this should be on a separate page. Just FYI, you should not be building this on top of your taco unless the taco plays with what you're doing. So it should be on a separate page.
Is the arcade game.
Yeah, turn your taco into an arcade game. Whoa, Pete is going hardcore grid here. He's gonna crash Webflow with his grid. Okay, let's see, Andres, Vinny. Okay, so we've got a little grid here. Not sure what's gonna come from that, but we will see. Leo, Vinny, let's see, can I go wide here? Who else is sharing? Sergey, let's see what Sergey is clearing off his taco screen here. Not this. Or shit, let's see what the round one winner, oh, he's getting ambitious.
Wow.
Our shit is going to be ambitious. So let's see where this takes us. Our shit is trying to do a little Mario action here. So let's see what Kai's doing. Kai is watching the live stream.
Check out.
Nice. Let's see, who else is in here to share that we can drop in on their screen? Let's see, Emmanuel's not sharing. Okay, yeah, this is tougher because I'm not sure what was better, being able to walk around or being in here. Just the way Gather loads and the way it takes time to load, it's hard to see whose screen is what. Let's see what Leo's doing. Yeah, it's like lagging to load these screens.
We have a request from Gabriel Calavcante, and it says, can you say bello taco to Eve? Bello taco.
Nice, thanks.
Request from a viewer.
Okay, let's see. Deshaun, I feel like, oh, there's Sergey's screen. Yeah, I feel like the other way was probably better in the working space, just for the screen sharing. I don't want to interrupt people's work though, to send them back to the space. So now we know. We know for the next time that our first idea was better, because the screens, what's happening is it's taking forever to load people's screens, and it could be that it's bogging your computer down, right? Like screen sharing in Gather could be like between that and Webflow, you know, like that could be pretty processor intensive and internet intensive. So if you're not sharing, that's fine, no big deal. We'll try to keep track as we go. Joe, tell me a little bit about just this past week working with a team. You know, what's it like to have everybody together here in the office? We've obviously
That commuting has been like the worst part of my day every day. And I really have a deeper appreciation of this remote work life now, coming to an office each day and probably spending round trip an hour doing nothing, doing something you really don't want to do. So I get that hour back next week when everybody goes back to remote. I love everybody here, but the reality is I think we work better as a team remotely. And this week has proven that, and I think that's just an awesome feeling.
Yeah. I know in my context, like, even though the box is efficient, for sure commute, like, it's easier to just go to your desk and turn it back on.
Of course.
As opposed to, like, wiring everything up. We did put the box through its paces. Tuesday we did our stream. Everything was great. Today's stream is fairly stable. I am getting a little anti-lag here and there, but I think there's a ton of bandwidth being sucked through the space. I think because everyone's like, you know, just pushing, and we're hard lined in, but anyway. What I didn't know we had in the case was some telecommunications. So yesterday we did a cool virtual call with some of the remote team. We brought some of the rest of the people who couldn't make it to the trip in-house, and we did a cool little Zoom call with everyone together and had like an all-hands meeting virtually. So not only is the box capable for stream, but it's good for other stuff as well, and that was cool to see inside of there. So let's go back wide here, push angle 2, and let's see if we've got any screens we can jump into here. Yeah, Tyler, can you get tight on some of these? Whatever you can. Let's see. Yeah, what's Leo working on over there, huh? Oh, is this a Pong game?
Ooh.
Is this like a fake little Pong game you're trying to build here? Okay, all right, I'm feeling that. Let's see what this is. Whose screen am I looking at here? Andre. Okay, Andre, I'm not sure what you're doing either. I see a line down the middle of your screen. Aha, some more Pong. Okay, all right.
Nice.
Okay, very nice, very nice. What are those door locks? I will remain composed today. 16
Time check.
minutes.
16 minutes. Almost halfway through.
Is somebody looking at Python code right now? Andre's over here about to do work, y'all. Let me jump off the screen so we can have a little privacy while he blows your minds. Let's see who else is here. Leo, you got your screen sharing? Leo's just on himself here. Let's see. Let's check in on Emmanuel's screen in real time here. So he is taking his little modified taco and turning that into some kind of game, it seems like. Very nice. Okay.
Okay, nice.
And Andre's getting serious over here. He's over there. I see him messing around with some like custom code snippets. About to drop a little something in here. See what happens with that.
You know, you can really create something special with interactions, but once you add that code in there, you can do a lot more in less time.
Pass the green sauce, says Brian. Jay Poucher is so awesome. Yeah, we can say that. Thanks, Jay, for hanging with us. I meant Joe, but thanks, Brian.
Jay Poucher is so awesome.
There you go.
Official.
Official.
That is official.
You have to clip that and put it in the loop behind you now. Next time we talk, we just want to see a loop.
Yep.
All right, let's get a tight angle on the clock here, maybe. We got the countdown clock at 14 minutes and 15 seconds. 13, 12, yeah. But let's see if anybody's, look at this, we got 60 people hanging out with us. What's up, everybody? Thanks for hanging with us during this live build. If you're just watching to see what people are building, we're in the middle of a speed building challenge here. So this is the second round. We built a taco in the first round, and now we're building an arcade game. So whatever that means to the participants, we're gonna see, you know, what they build as an arcade game. And I'm real interested to see what Andre's working on over here. So he's got, let's see, press any key to begin. I see Pong game with JavaScript. Okay, so he's literally trying to build a proper Pong game in here. It's an ambitious challenge.
It is. It is.
Bob, I think he might be biting off a little bit too much here.
We're getting better. We're getting better at it.
I keep thinking about just the golf announcers, you know, like, we just got to come up with more shit to say. Like, it's just hard to say things about.
Can
Like,
make it up. Yep.
yeah. You know, the other thing would be to try this in Zoom. There's a good, Zoom is good for screen sharing.
Totally.
I thought Gather would be good for this too, but it seems like Gather's lagging a little
less
bit more than
performant, sure.
Yeah, a little less performant than Zoom.
For anybody that is in the YouTube stream that was not in the beginning of the stream, I'm going to reshare a few things that we launched earlier today. So in the beginning of the stream, we announced that we launched our client-first showcase submission. This is going to allow you to submit client-first projects direct to the new showcase section of client-first. So that is going to be shared as a link. We also have our new Finsweet community voting application out. And what this is going to allow you to do is submit features and content requests for our products, for our content. So what you can do is say, hey, I want something specific in Finsweet extension. So you'll be able to submit that to us, we'll review it, and allow the community to vote on it. And that goes for content too. We started our live builds. Next week we'll be back to normal live builds, and you can tell us what you want us to build. This site, this slider, this nav bar, and we're just going to listen to the community. That's the point of this.
Yeah.
That we want the community to tell us what to do and prioritize what the community is asking for.
This has got a little taco feel to it right here. This is like a modern abstract taco.
Yeah, there we go. That's the Mexico inspiration there.
That's funny. That's funny. Okay. Was there one other thing?
And G-Tag.
G-Tag.
G-Tag. If you purchase G-Tag, it is now available to you. We have sent out an invite, or will send out an email. If you have not purchased it and you want it, that's at finsweet.com/G-Tag.
Nice. And yeah, it's a super valuable course if you're looking to figure out how to use some of those G-Tag integrations with Webflow. But now we bring you back to our previously scheduled programming. Nice. Okay, Sergey, I see where you're headed. I like this. I like this. Build your taco. Oh, Deshaun is building a little Tetris game. Okay, I see where you're headed. 10 minutes. Y'all have 10 minutes and left to build. It's not much time at all. So if you're with us, you got some acceleration to do. It's time to get into high gear.
Absolutely. 10 minutes.
10 minutes, almost exactly. So 10 minutes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 minutes exactly from that countdown. Okay. There's still quite a folks. Let's see if anybody, let's see what the comments, let's see what's happening in the comment stream here. So, the guy who has too much code, save it as a .txt file and upload it. Nice, okay. Smash the likes, yo. Yeah, smash the likes. If you're sitting here hanging with us, you know, give us some encouragement if you like that by liking the video. That helps, you know, YouTube distribute these videos. Feel free to share with a friend. Subscribe to the channel. You know what to do. Okay. That impression was priced. I feel like it's pretty bad, but I'm assuming he's still like our golf voices. Bob, it's interesting to see what people are going to build in the last 10 minutes here. It's really coming down to the wire. 9 minutes.
That's brilliant.
I'd love to see you guys do a show where you go behind the hood of a complete project and explain how they build it. We've done that for the last 3 weeks. Eric, if you go to our YouTube channel, we've been building live on Thursdays, client first, for the last 3 weeks. So if we go over here to can I spell today? And we go to our content. Let's go to YouTube Studio. Oh, y'all are gonna see our stats. Don't be looking. Okay, we go to live content here. So we've got client first live build 3, client first live build 2, and client first live build. And actually, this right here, look at this, 18,000 views, 18,600 views.
Nice.
Where is this traffic coming from on this? Like, people want to know how to build with this client first system. So yeah, Eric, just FYI, there is a lot of that exists on the YouTube channel. So go ahead and check that out on the page there. If you want to go check us out at youtube.com, just search for Finsweet, and you'll see a ton of that kind of hands-on, step-by-step, walking through, building, you know, a couple different sites there. So.
And Eric, if you want to suggest a specific site or a specific part of a site, you can go ahead and do that in the new voting page, the new community vote page that we just released. Go ahead, submit a site that you want, and the community will vote on if we do that or not.
Yeah, nice. Here he's saying, yeah, but more complex, not just about client first. Yeah, we're talking about doing some of this stuff. We're talking about little components, different elements. Yeah, we do a lot of this. There's also a lot of people that build, you know, detailed, nuanced builds. A lot of time the content that we're creating has to do with some of the systems we're building internally and the stuff we're working on ourselves. And so that's kind of why we're focused on client first. We're trying to really refine that system and get that through its paces. So quick time check, 6 minutes and 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 6 minutes and 30 seconds right now. Let's see. My Pixel Mario is too much for my browser. It keeps locking up. Yeah, I could imagine. And that's Pete Blatchford. Let's see if, especially if you're screen sharing. Gather is also super memory intensive. So if you're in Gather and you're lagging out, you may want to just drop out for a sec and yeah, come back when the game's over. 6 minutes. So 6 minutes left to see what folks are building. Who's got something interesting? I'm not sure anyone's sharing their screens here that I can jump in. We've lost. Oh, Simon's screen. Oh, he's got like a Selecta. Is that a Selecta taco?
Nice.
Nice. Okay, a little vending machine for the foods over here. Nice, Simon. Okay, let's see if we've got anybody else sharing. Looks like it's coming down to the wire and the folks have gone offline to prepare their best work. We're gonna check in about 5 minutes to see what's happening next, Bob.
It's going to be really interesting to see the progression from the first round.
Very nice observation, exactly. Round 2 is definitely a little more complicated than round 1, but there is a little bit more time for the participants to explore the Webflow interactions, and so we will see what they come up with in the next 5 minutes.
I'm going to have to agree with you on that one, Bill.
That's so funny. You're so good at that.
Let's see, did we miss any chats? Thanks, Maggie. The build arcade game. Oh, yeah. Okay, 4 minutes, 33 seconds. Pixel Mario. Oh, that's the same comment. Arcade submissions. So there's a new Airtable link there. So it's a different form. And it just posted. So I'm going to replace that pinned.
I've just pinned it.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, Bob and Bill. That's right. My type of sports center, Gabe says. Yeah. I don't know how interesting it is for people at home. You got to be some Webflow lovers to be hanging with us at this point. We need like, you know, we need like the production team with the cutaway shots and all the like, you know, they got like 50 cams when they do this, and it would be cool to have like direct links into everyone's feed. Like if we could just pull their like specifically, and just like jump around and like get into all of those screens in real time, which is what we were trying to do with the screen share here. We'll experiment with this. I like this. It's really complicated to set up in person because to have like Joe hearing the stream and also what's happening in Gather, it's a little confusing. There is a slight delay even, and so like you hear people in the real world and then like a millisecond behind you hear it in the audio, and so that takes a little getting used to. And so like, yeah, there's some other technical hurdles of being in person versus being at home when all I got to worry about is my setup. So let's see.
We have 3 minutes left on the clock. A little less than 3 minutes left on the clock.
Where does the time go?
Where does the time go? Yeah, tell me. Okay, so we just got notification that we've got a tag team effort here. Bob, it looks like Emmanuel's calling in some reinforcements here from the code experts. Let's see what Emmanuel's up to today. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who was just that? Somebody had some pixel art on the screen. I don't want to show any more of the screens. This is gonna look cool. You can walk around a bit, Tyler. Like it'll be cool to see like whatever you can grab here. Don't worry, there's the wide. Yeah, I'm on you right now, so we're just gonna loop around the room as best you can. I almost 2 minutes. Part of me wants to like extend this a little bit because y'all are building some cool shit, and I want to give you just a little bit more time. But that's not how the game works. So you got 2 minutes. A minute 55, 53, 52. So yeah, time is counting down. We'll do the same thing that once the alarm goes off here, we'll have a minute or two to submit the Airtable, and that'll be it. We'll go through those submissions as we go through. And yeah, Rahan was saying, yay, harsh shit, the OG. Yeah, harsh shit holds it down. Yeah, we love harsh shit over here. Webflow effing nerds, effing Webflow nerds. Yeah,
That's
Jay
us.
nailed it. Bill and Bob's excellent live stream. Oh man. Okay, let's get rid of these comments here. Tyler's zooming in on some screens here, giving some real life cutaway shots. This is gonna be exciting to go through these. My favorite thing is actually like seeing what people came up with. I remember the reactions. What do we build? We build a bouncing ball. We built a
Nintendo controller?
a game controller.
Game
That's
controller,
right,
yeah.
a game controller. And then the third one was a racing game.
Yeah,
Yep.
racing game.
And yeah, people built some really steering wheels turning, cars driving the road, moving. Lots of things were happening there. So and lots of stuff happening here. I'm seeing like
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
20 seconds.
Should we pull an audible and add a minute to the clock? We could go a full 30 minutes for the second build. We did do 25. Should we give like an audible 5-minute extension here?
We can do
If
that.
we get, let's see how many likes we have on this video. This is gonna go down to this. If we can get, we're at 43 likes. Can we get to 50? Oh, that's it. It's over.
This is it.
That's it? Is it over? I think that's it. 25 minutes. Start submitting
That's
the
it.
sites
25
here.
minutes. We said
That's
it. It's done.
Yep. We didn't get enough likes. We don't even have as many likes as we do viewers, so no extra time for you. Bye.
So we have the submission form pinned to the YouTube channel. Live Finsweet team here that is also in the Hangout channel. So you can go ahead, submit your site. You have 1 minute to submit. And just like the
I got
tacos,
it
we'll
right
be
this
going
time.
through one by one.
What'd you say, Kai?
I said I got it right this time.
Nice.
Submission.
Joe, can you send me the link to the actual Airtable base?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, nice. Okay. Kai. So, okay. All right, so Vinny's in, Kai is in. Let's see. If you're not in the next, let's see. Let's call it a minute. You got between now and the next buzzer to get it in. I'm gonna refresh this Airtable in a minute, and your submission has to be in. If it's in after that, it's gonna be considered late.
Yep, everybody knows the drill now.
That's right. Colleen, loving the look at the Tetris-like game. Yeah, I think there's gonna be some cool stuff here.
I think so.
There's gonna be some cool reveals here for sure. So let us know how you thought about the experience in the comments, if you don't mind. Hey, and everyone here, we're picking up on here, so don't get like super chatty and loud, and like just try to keep the volume down until we get through the stream. And let us know what you thought of the format, right? Like, this is a test. Do you want to see us do more of this? Do you want a different type of build? Share your thoughts in the comments with us, because that's the only way we know how to like do this better.
Right.
So we asked you all a few weeks ago what you wanted to see us do with this Thursday content, and you said to keep experimenting. And so here we are experimenting with different things. We don't want to forget about like the critique, because we really like the critique format. And so I think once we get these submissions that start coming in for client first, we will bring back some of the critique stuff, and we may even allow folks to just submit other sites too. So we'll have like client first, we'll have regular sites, whatever. But we're going to keep experimenting with this Thursday content just to get exciting and just have some variety. But feel free to let us know in the comments what you think of the format, anything we can do to improve the quality or the experience. But here we go, 14 submissions for round 2. Last call to get your submissions in. I'm gonna give you just another second to submit. Okay, Natalie under the wire there. Okay, so let's go back into Gather. I'll share the screen here. So let me share my screen. Boom. And we will go through these Airtable. Let me go through the chat and then this. Okay, this challenge was 25 minutes. That's right. Kai, no. Eric Daly is saying, just joined, how long did they have to work? First round was 10 minutes, second round was 25 minutes, and we almost gave an extension at the end there, but we decided to stick to our guns. So, I know, I felt like I wanted just another couple minutes for you. Oh, okay, nice. Little Pac-Man character about to be, oh, hang on, let me go to my screen here. Let me refresh that. I forgot I wasn't sharing with the screen. I need a wacka 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 wacka. Just do my best for the sound effects here. Nice job, Kai. That's actually pretty cool.
Very cool.
Okay, Vinny, let's see what you did here. Oh, okay. Boom. Okay.
They can't see in the Gather.
You can't see and Gather?
That's the same as
Share
mine.
your screen and chat.
I am sharing my screen. You have to click on my screen to see it. You have to click on my profile. Nice. Okay, so we got a little Tetris game here, and let me go back to Kai too. If y'all said you didn't see it, okay, there you go. Okay, so Vinny had the little Tetris dropping action here. Okay, yeah. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, let me refresh that now that I understand how it works. Okay, nice.
Cool.
Okay, great. Cool little Tetris game. Nice work there, Vinny. Let's see, Alex Lazar, what did you bring to the okay. Scroll and move the mouse. That's hard to do because I'm using a trackpad. It's a little tough to like scroll in multiple directions, but okay, I'm liking that.
Cool.
Yeah, nice.
What
nice.
happens when you hit? Okay.
I don't know. Does anything happen when I hit one of these? Nope. No, I think they're just
Nice.
nice. Okay, great. I mean, still, think about what we're looking at here. 25 minutes, y'all. No pre-prompts. Nobody knew. 25 minutes to just build, and always interested to see what people come up with. Finish him! Winner. Let me see. Is there anything that I can click on or touch here? Load game. Nope. Oh. Okay. It doesn't look like it. Michael, let me know if I missed anything there, but it looks like we just got like the little finish him screen there at the end, which is pretty cool. Nice work there. Okay. Eve. Find the pixel. Find the golden pixel. Oh. Okay. How many times am I gonna have to do this? Eve, give me a hint.
At the top.
Top what?
Yeah, maybe. Four.
The fourth on the top.
Oh, the fourth. I thought you said too far. Nice.
Nice
Okay.
job.
Great. Okay, very cool. Yeah. Okay, nice.
You know that's a qualified arcade game back in the day. You know,
Yeah.
that could have been something that people played for hours.
Yeah, I mean, imagine if it like you add a little bit of movement, you add a little bit of. We saw some of this in the Clone Comp too. Was like these little select your own things. And again, people think Webflow is just about websites. I think there's so much more here. It really is just a visual abstraction of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And once there's a data pipe built to that and some logic, like. Anyway, that's all we'll say about that before I get on my soapbox talking about how great Webflow is. Oh, hang on. Let's see what is going on here. Who is this?
Play with arrow keys.
Andre. Oh, this is play with arrow keys and WASD. Rymar X Joe. Press enter to play Pong. Enter?
Oh, Rymar versus Joe.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, so you. Okay, hang on. Okay, so press enter to play.
W.
I think you just. Yeah.
Oh.
Get out of here.
Nice job.
Nice. Okay, this is cool. Stop. This is out of control.
This is pretty cool. I never thought that we'd actually compete here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Like.
I just searched for a code in the internet. I didn't do the code. It's so small time. And I tried to see which element I should add on the style. And then that's it. I do some interactions for the color in the background. And that's it.
Yeah.
No much problem. You can solve something complex like that with just searching the internet and put on that Webflow.
Yeah.
No.
Great.
Yeah.
That's all I wanted to like. That's all I wanted. Like, this is a serious like. I gotta do.
You know, it was fun. We actually competed and we had a good time playing that game. So that's a win for me.
Yeah, and again, I know you grab code from the web, but it's the versatility of that all exists. Like, somebody built that code, then they put it on the web for free, and then Webflow built this platform that allows you to grab that code and use it without any technical knowledge. Like, y'all don't even know. I mean, you do know. That's why you're here geeking out on a fucking 2-hour-long live speed build challenge. But these are the moments where you see stuff like that, where again, it's not crazy. It's nothing like but it's impressive.
Very.
To be able to build that in 25 minutes, regardless of where you found it, how you found it, it shows the resourcefulness of this industry, how you can like solve problems on the fly, and the versatility of some of these platforms to be able to just do this stuff in real time like that. So great job there. I was excited to see that. Great. Okay. Pre-scroll slow in my build. It's the OG. Yeah, hard shit. Don't you worry. We're gonna take our time with that. Okay, nice. We got a little Atari game system here. It looks like when I try to click the button. All right, let's see. Jose, nice. Wondering if there's anything else, but it looks like, yeah. What's up? Oh, I gotta go to the right screen. Okay, so we've got a little joystick controller here. Okay, nice job. I think that was Jose. So Leo, let's see what Leo built for us. Leo's got like the interactions version, the pure interactions version of the Pong game, which is. What'd you say?
I want to be André, but okay.
Yeah, we should have seen this one first. Sorry, Leo. It's a hard act to follow.
But my design is better. Yeah.
Okay, nice. So there you go. That's a cool little interactions. And again, just very simple. You can do things like that with Webflow interactions. Let's see. Pete, hover pixels. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. So you can like draw over Wario or Mario here with like that's a cool little effect. The little rotating circly things. It reminds me of something I did a little while ago here. Let me do something real quick. I don't think I have it, but learn dash interactions.webflow.io. Just gonna pull this up in the background and we'll do. I want to show something just in the relation to that, like this. I started building this and never actually finished it, but I want to show the hover in, hover out. This is what this reminded me of this thing here that I built one time. So it's a cool little effect to create. But again, the versatility of what you can build like that. So super cool effect on the Mario there, being able to like spin those little things. Nice thought. Great minds think alike. Okay, Giuseppe, let's see what we got here. We smiled back at you from inside the arcade game. Nice. Okay, so we've got a little like game controller here, some buttons on the left, and it looks like some friendly faces in here. A little creepy, honestly. Faces. I'm kind of scared of those folks. Yeah. If I saw those folks creeping out over the edge of a window like that, I might have to like, step away from the suburbs. Okay. Emmanuel, let's see the taco game. Oh. What is it?
Arrows.
Ooh.
Didn't have time to make the peppers move, and it would be so cool.
He said I needed another 3 minutes. Nice job. I like how you carried over the taco from round 1 into the game. Matisse, vamos a ver. Click on one button on the game to make something happen. Click on, okay.
Oh, cool. That is an arcade. Love it.
Okay. I love it. The comedic factor of this stuff is great. So, okay, Sergey's, click to shoot. What? Oh. All right, we have a contender. I don't know what we're shooting, and you definitely, what's that? Are you shooting onions? Is that that's that stank breath game. He's throwing out stank breath.
Hi guys.
All right. So let's see.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? If you're in Gather, just know we can hear you on the live stream. So if you're joining us late, just hang tight. We'll get some interactive stuff after we get through
What do you guys
these.
talk about it? Do you guys
Okay.
on discussion? Did I
No,
respond to
we're
you
not.
guys?
Hey, whoever that's in Gather right now, we're in the middle of a live stream. Just FYI. So either you can, if you click on my screen, you can see what we're looking at. We're looking at these little arcade games right now that people have created. So let's refresh this. Was this Simon? This was Simon. Simon Lampert. Okay.
Oh.
So we've got a little okay. It's like a
okay.
little slot
So
machine.
I just silent.
Okay, nice. If you're in Gather, please just hang tight, right? We can hear you on the live stream, so just please mute yourself and hang tight for a second as we get till we get through these.
Simon loves to gamble.
Yeah, it's like it's a taco gamble. I like this. This is cool.
Love it.
Simon, this is an interesting concept. This is a clever concept. I saw you
Cute,
building this
just
little
being
grid, and I
inside.
was wondering what you were going to do with that. Listen, if you and gather, please mute yourself, like, or try to understand what's actually happening here, so that we don't have that talking in the background, please. And let's see Natalie's final submission. Natalie's ultra awesome something. Click. Oh. Okay. Let's see that again. So it's like
It always follows. Nice.
Yeah.
Clever,
yeah, okay.
clever.
And this is something I bet with a little bit of time could have maybe it could like
Yeah.
it'd be cool. Like I could see another little bit longer, and you could get kind of some separation, some cool. This is interesting. Again, to see what people create in 25 minutes. Let's just refresh one time just in case. Oh, harsh shit. Okay, with the last minute submission here. Just because we like you, harsh shit. Effing Mario, he said, scroll slow. Get out of here, dude. What?
Okay.
All right. So Mario's- Very clever. I like that. That's nice little work. Little side horizontal scroll. Flipping Mario. Effing Mario. Flipping Mario.
Love it.
Okay. Great. Okay. Yes. Simon is saying that was stress going through these submissions, and we're seeing what people built.
A lot of creativity. We left a lot of times reviewing these, and that's really great for me. I think it's really nice when we're able to have these type of events, get people smiling, get people laughing, having a good time, and seeing some skill. I mean, we saw some serious skill in some of these submissions. So great job. I think this was a big success.
Who we didn't really crown it. Oh, we do. Yeah. Was it the Pong game? Is that the winner? Round 2?
I don't know. Let's ask the crowd.
maybe the crowd. Who won this one? Leave it in the comments. Who do we think is the top round 2 winner here? Leave your thoughts in the comments there, and we'll run through. Just as a reminder, we'll do this real quick. So we had Kai, had a the Pac-Man, waka 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 waka. Okay, that's enough of that. We had Vinny had the little Tetris game here. Yep. Alex was the scrolling starship. Michael had the finish in the Mortal Kombat game here. Eve did the Find the Golden Pixel. I like this one too, honestly. This is a front runner in my mind for what do you got, Tyler? Oh, I'm on you. I'm on your cam. Yep. Let's see what the other ones were. So let us know. Let's see. Harsh shit all the way, Kai says. Harsh shit saying Sergey and Andre. Jay Poucher says harsh shit. Deshaun, another great dat. Let's see. I mean, Pong was awesome, but it was a code insert. Jay. Yeah, I hear that. That's a strong thought. I do like the Mario was nice. The look of Mario was nice. I don't know. We'll just call everybody a winner here, to be honest. I mean, like, if you were participating in this and you were like following along at the time, let's see what's happening here. There's 48 people still hanging with us, 575 playbacks. This is hey, meetups on the fly. Lots of people are hosting Webflow meetups and doing different events and things like that. We'll continue to experiment with these, but yeah, expect like weekly hangouts with us. Tuesday is going to be instructional, strategy, growth, about how to build your business, about how to build your Webflow agency, and then Thursday is going to be hands-on stuff just like this. So, Joe, any thoughts before we close?
Yeah, absolutely. Was really nice working with the team here in live, but get your final view. This won't happen for several more months in the future. Next week, we'll be back to our own houses, our own remote working environment. So a big thanks to the Finsweet team for being here. This was great. Tuesday was great. Yesterday was great. Today was great. And it was really nice that we all got to work together. So yeah, big thumbs up here.
yeah, that's it. And just a reminder, we've got the client first showcase submissions that you can make. That's, you know, if you go to the finsweet.com/client first, you can now submit clonable or submit your projects. We have a showcase coming on that. We didn't want to populate it because, you know, there's not a ton of submissions yet, and we didn't just want to showcase our own work. And so as those submissions are coming in from you all, you've been sending to us on Twitter. And so that's how we've been seeing a lot of these so far, but there's an official place for you all to submit those. Also, community voting is now live, finsweet.com/vote. You can suggest show topics, you can suggest product updates, you can suggest feature updates, whatever you want. We're here to help serve you all as the community, and so yeah, that's part of that effort. And then GTAG is also live. So once again, GTAG has been in play for a while, and that is now live as well. So that's finsweet.com/GTAG, finsweet.com/vote, and finsweet.com/client first. So, any final thoughts?
That's all for me. This was a
Anybody
great
from the
stream.
team got anything they want to share before we close out? Nope. All right, well, that's a wrap. It's been real, y'all. Hang out and gather. The folks who are in Gather, we'll do a proper send-off to the gathered folks here in a second. So stay with us after the stream, and we will jump into Gather for just a quick second. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and kill this stream. Good work, everyone. Thanks for hanging with us. Catch you next time. I don't know what city I'll be in next. Actually, I'll probably be streaming from here again next week.
Yeah.
I'm here next week still, so we'll still be in Mexico next week. And then from there, yeah, off to the races. So if you're following the adventure, be sure to join us every Tuesday at noon Eastern time, right here on YouTube. Adios.